They were dreamers. And it was his mother, his dear mother, who called him Tommy, who told him that he could be anything he wanted to be in life. And it was his father who taught him to choose wisely the paths that he chose. Early in life, Dr. Jackson took this advice from his parents. He took it to heart, and he always set lofty goals for himself. But what sets Dr. Jackson apart from other high achievers is how he inspires those around him to also achieve. He inspires others to set high goals, to stay focused, and to achieve. And when you get to know him, you will truly believe that the sky is your only limit.
His love of this place and his family's love is infectious, and that's really, really important. One of the great joys he has is spreading the lumberjack spirit in interesting ways. We heard about lapel pins, chocolates, and what the heck? Check out those socks. By the authority granted to me by the trustees of the California State University, I hereby invest you, Tom Jackson Jr., with the office of President of Humboldt State University with all of the honors and privileges, and most importantly, the authority, responsibilities, and accountability pertaining thereto.
When the redwoods whisper, we hear of a place, a magical and amazing place where the redwoods dance beside the mighty Pacific Ocean. We hear of a place resting on tribal lands between proud communities, a place filled with opportunity and innovation. This place has fresh air, clean water, and a spirit inspired by its many ancestors. This place is Humboldt. It is of the community. For this reason, we will do our part to support each other and inspire the next generation of leaders. We will also do our part to help become a model global community, one that sees beyond itself, one that improves safety of its students and community, one that models open expression and free speech, one that truly encompasses the essence of diversity, access, and inclusion, one that lives by its values. When the redwoods whisper and the ocean roars, there's Humboldt, an amazing place where our students' dreams come true. Thank you again for the opportunity to serve as your 8th president. I will do my part to lead with honor, integrity, and a genuine commitment to this university and this community. Again, thank you.
Tonight, our goal is to raise $100,000 for this fund.
You can put any amount. This goes 100% to students attending HSU.
What a scholarship does for a student, it says, we support your dreams. We believe in you. You got this.